So Laura, why do you always give me such a hard time about almost everything?
Rick, what in the hell are you talking about?
Do you always answer a question with a question?
Oh boy, here we go again.
What do you mean by that?
Are you paranoid or something? I think that maybe you have been hanging around with Stony out in the garage.
I'm afraid I don't know exactly what you are talking about, but if it is involving my friend Stony, I can just imagine.
Oh, I think that you know exactly what I am talking about.
Why do you think that?
Because you come walking in the house and you stink. I mean really stink, pu.
Oh, pee me?
Did I stutter? Yes you moron, pu. You are going to get yourself in a ton of trouble if you keep traveling down that messed up path you are on.
I don't feel that I'm on a path of any sort.
Oh really?
You know you are always criticizing me, and I think maybe you need to back off a bit and take a good look at yourself in the mirror.
What are you saying exactly?
You have got to be stroking me, right?
I have got to be what?
Kidding, I meant kidding me.
Oh, that's what I thought you said, but the way you said it, it sounded different.
Yes, it probably did, because you were not totally in tune to what I was trying to tell you.
Which was?
I was just saying. Maybe you need to step back and take a good look at yourself in the mirror.
Why?
Because you may not be traveling down such a smooth and righteous path yourself.
Meaning?
Chocolate.
What in the hell are you talking about?
I'm talking about chocolate. You seem to have an addiction to chocolate.
OMG exclamation point now who is stroking who?
Who is doing what?
Joking. I said now look who is joking who.
Okay, that is what I thought you said, but I wanted to double check.
Oh, and besides chocolate does not stink.
Oh, that is your opinion. It may not stink while you are eating it, but it can stink badly later, after eating it, especially if you eat as much of it as you do.
So, have you ever in your adult mature life been serious?
Okay, I should have known better than to try and make you see things the way I might see them.
Yes, you are finally correct in your thinking. I win again. Now if you have anything else to say, talk to the hand.